Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lizzie once again. If you're just watching me for the first time, please don't be shy to thumbs me up, subscribe, like and share, especially if this video helps you in any way. I love you all so much. For returning subscribers, you are just the best. Today I'm going to be showing you all how this gele was tied, and if you want to tie this gele, you have to make sure that the edge of your gele is embroidered the way mine is. And here with me today is my sister, my immediate younger sister. Okay, so we had so much fun anyway. So the first thing I did was to make sure that I folded the edges of her gele. And then after folding the edges of her gele, I made 4 pleats on her head. While making your pleats, you have to make sure they are well laid. You want to make sure that it comes out really beautiful. So I'm going to trace the pleats down towards her neck area for the left hand side and also for the right hand side. Like I said, you have to take your time in making your pleats so that it comes out really beautiful. The gele material I'm using today is what is popularly known as the paper scarf. So that is what I'm using on our head today. The rule for this particular gele today is 80-20. One hand of your gele has to really be longer than the other hand of your gele. The 20 part of the gele, which is the short part of the gele, is what she's holding right now, while the 80 part of the gele, which is the long part of the gele, is what I am holding right now. It's called 80 because actually is the measurement though, and it actually has to go round her neck and to the back to meet with the 20 part, so that I can be able to knot it at the back. At this point right now, my shirt is so big, like so big. One of my friends will tell me right now, he will mock me saying I'm wearing an oversized shirt or I stole my mom's shirt or something. But I just want to acknowledge the fact right now that my shirt is so big. And I apologize because I actually didn't notice that it was interfering in the video. It was later on that I noticed. I'm really sorry for that. But what I'm doing right now is not difficult and it's not different from what I've been doing in my previous videos. If you've not watched my previous videos on how to tie gele at all, please do that, because if you want to know how to make pleats, what I'm doing right now is what will enable you know how to make pleats. So please guys, do watch my previous videos so that you'll be able to learn. So at this point guys, this is where I'm going to start making my fan. I'm just going to make sure that I make use of my both hands here. One hand has to be picking the pleats and the other hand holding the pleats down. I'm just going to do it on this side of her face. I'm just going to start making my fan the way you can see me do in this video. And it's not difficult at all. I'm just going to use the remaining part of the gele, which is the end of the gele. I'm just going to use it to make my fan. So because this is a paper scarf, I would love to be pinning the gele at every point so that it doesn't unravel at all. So I'm just going to keep pinning. For every pleat I make, I'm just going to pin so that it doesn't unravel. So guys, I'm done making the pleats. I'm just going to tell her to turn to the back so that I can knot the gele at the back. So I'm just going to make use of the 20 part of her gele and the 80 part of the gele which is left. I'm just going to knot them together at the back, and I'm going to knot 2 times. You have to knot according to how comfortable it is on your client's head or on your model's head. Some people actually knot 3 times, some knot 2 times, but I'm going to knot it 2 times and then pin it so that I'm sure that it's very, very much secured. On a normal day, the back of her gele right now was supposed to be closed, but it's not big enough for me to close it. That is why I had to open the gele at the back. But if your hair is like this, you would want to close your gele, except maybe you're putting on a wig or something. But if your hair is like this, you really would want to close the back of your gele. Okay guys, so I'm done making her pleats. Like I said, this gele is not difficult at all, and I'm done knotting the gele at the back. I'm just going to come to the front and then arrange the pleats properly so that it looks as nice as I want it to be, and so that it feels good and it's well laid on her head. I'm also going to make sure that the edge of the gele stands the way that I want it to be. Like I said, if you want to tie the gele that is on my thumbnail, you have to make sure that you look for a material that has shapes at the edge, or you have to take it to your nearest designer, your nearest tailor to cut the edge for you, to so that it comes out the way you actually want it to, depending on the shape you want it to. Like hers on the thumbnail is star like, but mine is actually different. Hers has a triangular shape, but mine has like a rectangular shape. I don't know if you guys really understand, but depending on the shape you want it to come out to be, you have to tell your designer to work on it according to what you want, guys. I do hope that you guys understand. I love you all so much. If this video has helped in any way, don't be shy to thumbs me up, subscribe, like, and share. This is what the back of the gele should look like. And if you've not turned on your notification button, please do that so that each time I post, you will definitely be the first to know. I hope this video has helped you. If it has, say yeah. I love you all so much, and I just can't wait to see you all in my next video. Bye bye.